Hello, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm gonna talk about try to learn patience. Kindly be patient in difficulties or matters of life. Rather, perform hastily. Patience is only the way to get rid of worries and to correct the tangled affairs. Hence, accept cruelty, be patient in remainder every matter life according to me.